seated. Bore da, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good morning, welcome to Cardiff and to your 2026 graduation ceremony. Laura Trevelyan ydw I, Cenhedlodd Prifysgol Gaerdydd. I'm Laura Trevelyan and I have the great honour of being the Chancellor of Cardiff University. So right off the bat, I want to say to our anhygoel, that's Welsh for incredible, class of 2026, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations! More of that to come. Lots of applause this morning, please. I was a postgraduate journalism student here back in 1990, and Cardiff University gave me a career, a husband, and lifelong friends and colleagues, and now the privilege of being your Chancellor. I couldn't be more grateful for everything that Cardiff has given me, and I hope that Cardiff will underpin your lives in the way that it has mine. Today we're going to celebrate the achievements of students in the Cardiff Business School. On your learning journey, you have come to understand the links between business, the economy, society and the environment. We're relying on you to make the ethical and responsible business decisions that this world needs. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you're ambitious and passionate. Embark on the next stage of your journey with all of the confidence that this should bring. Thank you for everything you've brought to your school and your university. We're incredibly proud of you. Right now, you're all in this liminal state. You're about to become graduates, but not until you cross this stage. It's a very special moment. We're hoping that Cardiff University will stay in your lives, that you'll be ambassadors for this university. Come back and see us often and tell us what you've been up to. More on that from me once you've crossed this stage. Friends and family of the class of 2026, thank you for being here today. It's a big moment for you, I know. When your loved ones cross the stage, please make as much noise as you possibly can. You can't bring down the roof, I promise. For now, though, please, everyone, sit back, enjoy the ceremony, and cherish this moment. You'll never be together like this ever again. You've enjoyed everything Cardiff has to offer, from YOLO nights at the Students' Union to swatting in the library. And you've built a cymuned, a community. Well done to you all. Da iawn. Mae'n bleser gennyf gyflwyno Owain Sean. I now have the great pleasure of introducing Owain Sean. Owain will read the proclamation and a poem by Wales's inaugural national poet, Gwyneth Lewis. Gwyneth has been writer-in-residence at the University's School of Physics and Astronomy and is now an honorary fellow. The poem Education was specially commissioned by Cardiff University, and Owain will read it beautifully.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddia feiddio, gwella dy wneud, myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Taws newidiad fydd dy glod, dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring. Makes you secure with not knowing everything. Helps you welcome some failure, forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates, but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. Byddaf nawr yn darllen y proclamasiwn yn gyntaf yn Gymraeg ac yna'n Saesneg. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodau. Bydde dwybod i holl aelodau'r brifysgol ac ar draws y byd bod cynulliad Prifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod siarterfrenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod i dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd, yn rhinwedd eu hastudiaethau a'i hysgolheictod, wedi harchwilio'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Dathwn lwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn ac, wrth wneud hynny, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb i rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Hwy sydd i geisio, trwy eu cyflawniadau, gwasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhob peth, ac ofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Parchwch ddoeth i neb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of the responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive on excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation. Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations.
Hello, Shemai. I am Molly, your Vice President Sport and Athletic Union President at Cardiff Students' Union this past year. Congratulations. It is a privilege to be standing here today celebrating not only your academic achievements, but also the incredible community you have built along the way. Whether you found your place through a job, a club, a society, or your course, these are the friendships that will stay with you for years to come. We know it hasn't been easy to get here. Each of you has faced challenges and overcome obstacles to reach this moment. But you made it, and that is something to be truly proud of. Today is about celebrating every individual journey that brought you here. As you look back on your time at Cardiff, I hope you do so with a strong sense of belonging and pride. For many of you, this was your first time moving away from home, whether you're from Belfast, Bournemouth, or Brazil. Wherever you came from, Cardiff has become a part of your story. And no matter where life takes you next, you will always have a home here. You're not leaving Cardiff with just a degree. You're leaving with life experiences, opportunities, and memories that will last a lifetime. Whether it's pulling all-nighters in the ASSL, late-night YOLOs, or quiet walks and coffee in Bute Park, you made it through. You may or may not know exactly what you're doing next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. For many of you, today marks the end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life, and we wish you all the best. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Congratulations, Class of 2026.
Barida, good morning. Ethro Wendy Lana dwi ysgang Hethlo Prifysgol Caerdydd. I'm Wendy Lana and I have the enormous privilege of being the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. I'm delighted that today my job is to warmly welcome all the students who are here to receive their awards. This is the part of the ceremony you've been waiting for, where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Please do celebrate. Celebrate the achievements of our students as they cross the stage by clapping, by cheering, or perhaps even some whooping. And I heard you practicing earlier on, so I expect whooping. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they'll be asked to stand. It's our tradition for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their award. The Welsh phrase I will use when translated means, through the authority conferred upon me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Twy ardurod a raddwyd ym mi gen y brifysgol, dy banach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hofrentiau a ddaw enesgel llongyffaciadau. I now introduce Professor Joshi Esau, the representative from the Cardiff Business School, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Joshi Esau, introduce who have received the Diploma of Higher Education. Connor Sean Charwood. I, Professor Joshi Esau, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Economics and Social Studies. Emmanuel Ajuku. Safyan Ahmad. Yusuf Al-Jawai. Qais Al-Bulushi. Azza Al-Mahadi. Carrie Anderson. Noor bint Anis. Reese Appleton. Jessica Arnold. Alexander Aslam. Jasper Ashworth. Hugo Asquith. Emmanuel Chinadu Adu Victor. Jason Aycliffe. Ewan Henry Baines Thomas. Hannah Balaam. Jacob Bockwell. Clarice Roger Ballard. Barbara Burnett. Louise Bees. Oscar Bellamy. Joshua Benton. Leo Berg. Ben Alexander Everett Bexfield. Abdul Huzair Abdul Heller. Henry Bird. Ailey Lauren Brown-Jones. Louis Lebeau. Oliver Bouncel, Molly Bowden, Jack Boxley, Rosie Bryce, Jack Grenard, Gabriel Brown, Elliot Brown, Jack Burdett, Ilya Bergansky, Charlie Barton-Doe, Luca Cardinal, James Carlton, George Carpmail, Thomas Marco Caselli, Fergus Caskey Sutton, Max Chapman, Emma Chadozi, Wanzi Chen, Kasa Chen, Isaac Chabru, Deepa Chidambaram, Ella Louise Chulsley, Roberto Chansi, Isabel Emma Kutsia, Robbie Cole, Neith Colgate, Edward Coleman, Henry Coombs, Sebastian Crawford, Kieran Dartnell, Freya Dawson, Ryan Dean, Lee Rose Denning, Yasmin Digby, Henry Elsom, Pierre Espolda, Leo Esponaza, Charles Evans, Maggie Evans, Noura Fa, Farhan Faruqi, Ben Faulkner, Stella Freebie, Alfie Finnegan, Logan Collado, Ziania Germain, Alma Giassi, Lily Graham, Luke Green, Jacob Madugan, Noah Griffin, John Gross, Milan Gujal, Matthew Gunning, Louise Guy, Isabel Hampton, Louis Harrison, Samuel Hart, Elizabeth Haverson, John Jacob Hendai, Richard Ho, Eloise Hughes, Jessica Hewlett, Jason Husband, Pavan Jain, Oliver Jackson, Joe Jackson, Dylan Sarah, Jonathan Jarrett, Ewine Jones, Cole Jones, Liam Jones, Aman Karya, Zara Khan, Niels Kilmonos, Mark Gosgay, George Laddell, Alexander Lewis, Joyce Lee, Thomas Ling, Lily Luca, Alex Ligo, George McDonald, Jesu Makarnoff, Charlie March, Lena Mironov, Luca Marriott, Oliver Marsh, George Martin Sendellery, Catriona Mason, Anya Nigam Matthews, Paris McCullen, Finn McEwitt, Samuel McGorry, Jack McLeod, Jude McManaman, Farhan Mia, Lynn Ann Miller, Julio Mitchell, Jaideep Mondvadia, Amir Faisal Mohammad Zaki, Sonny Morgan, George Morris, Neve Mulholland, Samprit Singh Multani, Joseph N. Todi, Harry Nye, Luke O'Brien, Emily Opang Ajay, Matthew Osborne, Evie Owines, Ria Pai, Maximus Palethorpe, Shiv Panchal, Katie Parrish, Samay Patel, Jayatri Patwa, Samuel Paul, Tom Pendridge, O'Shea Pereira, Jayden Prabhakar, Janatul Rahman, Anne Rai, Robert James Pye, Joshua Rollinson, Thomas Rias, Luca Rizzi, Fahad Shabir, Kiran Sahotra, Neba Sajid, Benjamin Sale, Shriram Sityanarayanan, Elfie Sayers, Charles Sengupta, Rohan Sethi, David Shacklin, Yasota Shanmugalingam, Dia Sharma, James Smith, William Smith, Archie Simpson, Daisy Summerfield, Zara Tolbert, Joseph Tandy, Abigail Elizabeth Taylor, Jack Taylor, Karis Mayer Thomas, Evangelina Thorpe, Jude Tooley, Benjamin Wolstadt, Dominic Wonka, Sebastian Walker, Jude Watkins, Georgia Whitley, Frederick Willing, Jack Wilmot, Benjamin Wilson, Oliver Wise, Joshua Wright. I, Professor Joshi Esau, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Abu Bakr Yasmin, Thomas Ainsworth, Abdul Remy, Tasmin Yahya Al-Maskari, Ryan Hamoud Al-Shakisi, Constantina Alampaku, Mohammad Ali Se, Azim El Hussein, Nasir Adil El Sain, Alam Ali, Irfan Ali, Adnam Al Qaseh, Oscar Allen, Nazmi Al-Jali, Hana Al-Mazrowi, Haya Al-Owaishes, Friaz Ali Muhammad Al-Shiri, Abdullah Al-Zainrani, Patrick Anderson, Isaac Andrews, Adriana Androulakis, Mason Archer, Joshua Salom Armstrong, Benjamin Arneson, Mohammed El Ashili, Shori Azuma, Saeed Bek Saeed, Ava Baker, Jamila Bao, Thomas Barkley, Molly Barron, Yuine Batter, Dylan Bika, Krishni Boya, Megan Bickerton, Muhammad Ryan Lofty bin Muhammad Ramlan, Alice Bird, Owen Blackett, Russell Blackhurst, Bethany Bladen, Daniel Blumeyer, Erica Rose Booth, Alexander Bose Mason, Jack Bosio, Joseph Racha, Josh Bowen, Samuel Brennahan, Ashton Peter Birelli, Ellie Bromley, Gabriel Brown, Luke Bryan, Poppy Buckle, Charlotte Bundy, Matthew Bunn, Isabel Burgess, Sky Byrne, Isabel Chashisha, Isla Cam, Thomas Carpenter, Emily Carr, Effie Carter, William Carter, Daniel Cartwright, Isabel Case, Thomas Casey, Broughton Chambers, Chan Chun Sha, Christos Charalambos, Ramsha Chawal, Yusen Chenzang, Olivia Chester, Owain Chippendale, Farhan Chowdhury, Zidan Chowdhury, Andreas Christodopoulou, Claudia Cornellon, Catherine Caudry, Samuel Coben, Darcy Crook, Lance Kalbengen, Alice Cullimore, Niall Kalpan, Dia Sahotra, Morgan Dalton, Luana Barro Ambrosio, Grafan Daniel, Ewan Davis, Sophie Davis, Isabel Davis, Jensen Davis, Thomas Davis, Rebecca de Torres, Anna Maria De Vita, Charlotte Dean, Heidi Denya, Henry Dimmack, Joshua Dana, Darius Dragon, Maisie Drew, Japeng Duan, Reggie Duckham, Riley Edwards, Thomas Edwards, Olivia Allen, Robert O'Brien Elms, Adam Elson, Judy L. Wakil, James Estel, Daniel Evans, Caleb Isles, Billy Isles, Hannah Farah, Ruth Farnsworth, Ben Fearon, Rose Elizabeth Fuzzy Noble, Janine Fernandez, Connor Fifwash, Nathan Fletcher, Cale Fury, Sam Freeman, Yiman Fu, Amy Gale, Maya Corner, Camila Garcia Beldos, Finlay Garfield, Sylvia Garner, Jerry George, Ollie Gibson, Gaines Goldie, Summer Gomez, Moifinen Folukwa, Yavuzdan Goswami, Jacob Goff, Maisie Griffiths, Anisha Saifu Razli, Bethany Hall, Shimran Haq, Daniel Hargrave, Caitlin Harrell, Benjamin Hart, Matthew Hart, Charles Hall, Eleanor Hayes, Bruno Colwell Heap, Jamal Levy Henry, Isabel Hill, Max Hilton, Evie Hobbs, Edward Honeyman, Aidan Hoover, Lucy Howard, Dylan Howells, Chi Shang Huang, Serene Hughes, Daniel Humphrey, Bethan Huntley, Megan Eile, Huzefam Imran, Anusha Imran, Maisie Isartel, Mirabelle Jackson, Theo Jackson, Harrison James, Max James, Toby James, Aidan Jarvis, Kieran Jarvis, Adrian Jazinska, Alex Jenkins, Holly Jenkins, Nashan Johar, David John, David Jones, Harriet Jones, Lily Jones, Louise May Jones, Toby Jones, Reese Kippens, Harley Kelly, Charlie Kaderdan Dine, Faye Kennedy, Alsal Kamidova, Nader Khalil Khatib, Tilly Kilby, Sasha Cole, Stephanie O'Reilly, George Lemon, James Landon, He Ching Lao, Wa Sam Lao, Wen Ki Lao, Ka Lilith, Hang Kwan Lee, Emma Leon, Kailun Lee, Oliver Lightfoot, Mia Lynham, Benjamin Littleland, Harry Lyle, Jackson Linsky, Joshua Mahadevan, Kunal Mahajan, Alexandra Mailetsky, Nimshama Manu, Matthew Martin, Jemima Martin Smith, Prabir Matlani, Olivia MacArthur, Amy McCaig, Sophie McEwen King, Bethany McGibbon, Jessica McKinnon, Shaima Mia, Ivan Medis, Sebastian Merritt, Magnus Middleton, Alit Miller, Alice Miller, James Milton, Mariam Mahmood, Rafa Muhammad, Olivia Moore, Morgana Moretti, Lawson Morgan, Jamie Morris, Perihan Mosley, Finley Mott, Imogen Moxie, Tiffany Mushena, Katie Murphy, Chloe Newman, Ewan Nicholson, Ollie O'Connor, Kate O'Halloran, Ryan O'Connor, Madison O, Katie Olivia, Kaylee O'Neill, Alexander Oshuho, Mia Owen, Pali Liang Yin, Martha Panchua, Jacinta Palmer, Juan Pastor, Isha Patel, Serena Patel, Yasmin Payton, Shreya Paul, Oliver Pavis, Katie Pierce, Thomas Pedrazani, Sophie Pepper, Kit Perot, Vilma Armas, Max Phillips, Willem Plant, James Polward, Veronica Pogolinski, Trajan Pukarel, Sam Pound, Killian Power, Xi Jiangzi, Zainab Rahim, Abigail Reed, Harvey Wren, Lucy Richardson, Cara Ritchell, Toby Rickett, Sam Rickwood, Kay Roberts, Muslan Robinson, Scarlett Robinson, Nahed Sujit Orongi, Charlie Rosethorn, Isheno Rubaba, Clem Rebaku, Maria Saju Abraham, Alex Tamasala, Radhika Sangani, Divya Soni, Saloni Shusheki, Vincenzo Scanella, William Schultz, Jackson Scrivener, Prayawat Sem Sripong, Toma Shironate, Aditi Sethi, Ahman Sivani, Saeed Shabir, Sarah Shahid, Sid Sharma, Zain Shaukat, Benjamin Shaw, Mohammad Tunhain Sheikh, Amy Shelton, Vasilia Shimayelkanya, Zhang Chen, Marios Shakalis, Harrison Syme, Amelia Singh, Joy Singh, Catherine Smith, Haida Ali Sumora, A.B. Spurgeon, Shihan Sun, Meta Suravira, Anthony Sweeney, Morgan Tagg, Tausif Kajowa, Kane Tan, Kaylee Tan, Vanish Tana, Charlotte Taysom, Archie Teasdale, Anuksha Kelly, Graphine Thomas, Leah Thomas, Megan Thomas, Matthew Thompson, Maria Toms, Benjamin Topping, Alexander Sim, Ching Myo Choi, Oliver Tucker. Claudia Turner. Amy Vanderhoven. Sohini Vora. Matthew Gonzalez. Yambo Wan. Yiling Wan. Jack Ward. Reese Waters. Kansria Wiwong. Benedict Wheeler. Tobias Whelan. Johnny Wilkinson. Aaron Williams. Fleur Williams. Joseph Willis. Harry Wilson. Owain Wong. Benjamin Word Lee. Zhu Jing. Ruksha Yasmin. James Young. Qian Wu. Aisha Zain. Muhammad Zayan. Jaizung Zhang. Ziyu Zhao. Yijing Zhang. I, Joshi Iso, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Economics and Social Studies. Owen John Griffiths. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Twyr y dyrtod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol, dybaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad ar hol ffrentiau a ddaw yn ysgol llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Jinji Gu. Sun Didi. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Kieran Lewis. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Ala Abdul Wahid. Ahmed Nayal Al-Diabat. Alfi Musavi. Al-Katani Badria. Ashfaq Ibrahim Al-Kumazi. Al Joshua Levitz Bumatai. Olivia Coelho. Amber Louise Colburn. Matthew Duggan. Ria Fernandez. Ronchia Gao. Xintian Gao. Kushi Garg. Thea Hope Giles. Thomas Griffiths. Gao Xian. Hand Mohammed Handoum. Blair He. Arvind J. Kumar. Gwenlyan Mayer Jones. Stephen Joseph. Shveta Kudluk. Abhishek Kumar. P. Xuan Lee. Finn McQueen. Maureen Mukami Tiga. Deepthi Mendu Jyoti. Srijit Poyamali. Saifullah Rehman Sehab. Sebastian Alexander Ran. Aratrika Subhan. Jingjuan Sui. Guna Nagasevan Sagi. Shiru Wee. Yu Tong Wu. Fan Xiao Shu. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Research. Aravind Misra. Conor Mockridge. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand if you're able to. Twy rhywdod y raddwyd y mi gan y Brifysgol, dyfanech chi y gael eich dyfaniad a hofrentiau y ddaw yn ysgol llongyffaciadau. Please be seated.
Bore-da. My name is Gareth Powell, and I have the enormous pleasure of being a Pro-Chancellor of the university. We come now to that part of the ceremony where we celebrate distinguished people who have made an outstanding contribution to society, that is to Cardiff, to Wales, to the world, and to the university. Today, we recognise and honour Helen Molyneux to be admitted as an honorary fellow of the university. If there is one piece of advice that might be of use, it is this. Be very careful indeed whom you speak to when travelling by train. For the person you speak to, the conversation you have, can change a lot of things. Helen Molyneux is a solicitor, having read law at Cardiff University. And she was already an established solicitor with Eversheds when she began a conversation on a train. The conversation with a fellow passenger resulted in the founding of New Law Solicitor Solutions Limited in 2004, an innovative law firm providing outsourced legal services to large corporate entities. This was one of the first alternative business structures in the UK. Helen's legal and commercial acumen, coupled with her insight and vision, have seen her not only lead that company to considerable success, but to make an influence on the way in which legal firms are constituted. But more than that, it has led to a varied career as a non-executive member of bodies such as Hodge Bank, EUI Limited, and Admiral UK. She has been chair of the enormously influential Institute of Welsh Affairs and a member of the Silk Commission on Devolution in Wales, which transformed the landscape of Welsh political life. Helen has a broad world view and a deep, lasting compassion for the encouragement of others. No more is this seen in her membership of the Women Angels of Wales Investment Syndicate, where she supports the investment in women-led Welsh businesses. It is little wonder, therefore, that in 2011 she was named Welsh Woman of the Year. However, there is more to Helen than the law, and that, of course, is true of the very best of legal people. More recently, Helen has been a founder member of Monumental Welsh Women, a campaign to create the first public statues of women in Wales. Public statues celebrating Welsh women in Wales, that is. Inspired by the fact that there was not a single public statue commemorating the achievement of Welsh women, she and her team set out to change that. And now 5 statues of Welsh women, commissioned through fundraising and investment, have been placed across Wales. The iconic educator Betty Campbell in Cardiff, the groundbreaking writer and thinker Elaine Morgan in Mountain Ash, Cronogwen, a poet, mariner and trailblazer in Llanganog, and Lady Rhondda, a fearless campaigner for women's rights in Newport. And the final statue, unveiled only a few weeks ago, was that of Elizabeth Andrews, the champion of workers' and women's rights, and this can be found in Rhondda Heritage Park. In 2024, Helen was not surprisingly included in the BBC's World 100 Women list. Helen has an acute ability to spot what is missing and to work to change the omission. At a personal level, having worked with Helen for many years, I know how deeply she pays attention to the local, to the global, to the present, to the past, and to the opportunities of the future. In honouring Helen Molyneux, we not only celebrate the extraordinary impact one determined and focused individual can make on a nation, but we are acknowledging the transformative power of education. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you Helen Molyneux to be admitted to an honorary fellowship of Cardiff University.
So this degree, like all others, needs to be conferred in Welsh. Twyr a dyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y cyngor. Dybaniach chi fel Cymraeg yn Rhedith Prifysgol Caerdydd.
Vice-Chancellor, Chancellor, distinguished guests, and most importantly, graduates, thank you and congratulations. It's a tremendous honour to receive this honorary fellowship from Cardiff University. As I was driving in this morning, I was listening to the radio and they were talking about the fact that Jude Bellingham likes to quote President Lincoln, who made a speech once about the fact that it's easy to be the critic, to stand on the sidelines and carp about the performance of others, and to have something to say about how they should do it better or how they didn't put in enough effort, which is obviously very relevant, bearing in mind the match that's going to take place this evening. And it struck a chord with me because I was thinking, I'd written my speech a couple of weeks ago, and when I read it again this morning, I thought, actually, this is a more important point. It struck a chord with me because when we started the Monumental Welsh Women Statue campaign, it was because we spotted a gap. But it wasn't just a gap in the representation of women in public life in Wales. We felt it was an injustice. We felt that there were hundreds and hundreds of women who had contributed so much to the history, the culture, the success of Wales, and they'd never been recognised. So we decided, rather than write a comment on X or post a Reddit post or write a Substack about it, we decided we'd actually do something about it. And when you start a project, in fact, when you start anything, success is not guaranteed. You cannot tell when you start, especially when you start doing something you know nothing about, which is what we did. You cannot know what's going to happen as you move through the process, and you cannot know whether success will happen for you. But the key thing is to give it a go. Try, get on the pitch, do your best, and whether you succeed or fail, it doesn't matter. The key thing is that you're doing something about it and not just talking about it. So the thought I'd like to leave you with, graduates, on this amazing day for you all, and my hands are sore from clapping, is get on the pitch. Don't talk about things. If you see a gap, fill it. If you see an injustice, do something about it. And if you have an idea, pursue it, even if others can't see what that idea could lead to. So go out there, do your best, and we'll be applauding you again, I'm sure, in the years to come. Thank you very much.
Helen, thank you so much, Helen, for those inspiring words and timely words. Get on the pitch. That's advice I hope you will all take with you into your lives. So, once again, Llongyfarchiadau, dy hun ran o gymuned cynfyfewyr Prifysgol Gaerdydd. Congratulations and welcome to the Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni stand out, and having sat here and watched you all cross the stage with such style and panache and cheering for one another, I can tell that you're going to stand out in your different ways. Some of you will be very high profile, Some of you will be low-key, quiet contributors to your communities. You'll find your own path, but I know that you will make a difference. Virginia Woolf is my favourite author, and she said it best. No need to hurry, no need to sparkle, no need to be anyone but oneself. Cardiff has given you more than just a degree. You've been encouraged to ask questions and challenge conventional wisdom. In this era of AI, you have real intelligence, critical thinking, which is going to stand you in good stead. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, and of memories. We hope that you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University, where you've all developed that sense of cynefin, meaning a place of belonging. As part of the Cardiff University alumni community, please come back. On Friday night, more than 1,000 alumni are coming for our first ever big reunion weekend. And here and now, I would like to invite all of you to come back here next year for our second big reunion weekend for alumni. Come back for the 5th anniversary of your graduation and the 10th. Please come back in 2076 for your 50th reunion. I will not be here, but have a great time. To that end, please volunteer and put yourselves forward as Class of 2026 ambassadors. Help organise next year's reunion and the one in 2076. Before we close the ceremony, there's one last Cardiff University tradition that we need to uphold. While today is all about you and your achievement, you didn't do this by yourselves. Your loved ones helped get you over the line, and they've been cheering for you. So please, new graduates, stand, and I would like you to make as much noise as you can and say thank you to your loved ones. Let's hear it. Louder. That's more like it. All right, you may sit down. Nice job. Longyfarchiadau I chri Raddodigion Gaerdydd. Congratulations to you once again, Cardiff's newest graduates. To close our celebration, here's a film welcoming you to our Cardiff alumni community. At the end of the film, please stand as we close the ceremony. So one last time, to the Bendigedig, that means the fantastic Cardiff class of 2026. Da iawn, well down, and longyfarchiadau.
Take a look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? Today we take stock of everything we've achieved and say thank you to those who always believed. So scroll through memories, cymryd selfies gyda'r besties, and stand up straight for the photographer. Say cheese. Today we remember how we got this far. The late nights and bright lights, and moments we didn't do as well as we might. Pob dyddiad cau, dyfal barhau, o weithio'n galed i'r dathliadau. Today we're rewarded for all the hard work that started way back with the first steps we took. Dropped at Talabont, Nghennydd, Aberdare and Aberconwy I ganol y freshers, heb wybod lle I fynd, heb nabod bob un, nes canfod ffrindiau oes yn neidiau hoff cytun. First dates.
Soulmates.
I'm gonna start crying at this rate. Today we're part of something that's hard to describe, the new class of an old tribe. A tradition that'll be there our whole lives, a network that continues to help us thrive. Years from now, we'll see someone with a badge on their tie or hear people on a bus shouting,
Cheese drive.
And we'll remember where we came from, where we came into our own, where we made our mark. Canfod Cartref, where we found a home. Today we make noise like it's the varsity game and count ourselves lucky we found people with the same interests, hobbies, byd o hiwmor nes bod ni'n ffoli. People who tried to shelter us with broken brollies. People who helped us find our limits and push them out the way. People who helped us get to this point.
On this day,
Today is a day we mark everything we've shared. A day we tell people just how much we cared, that they were always there, even when they couldn't be. Roedden ni'n gwybod y deiau eto hael ar fryn for all the long hours we've had to put in. We still had those nights that went right through till dawn, and days we dug deeper than ever before. So here's to those late-night revisers and early risers, to sunny days that passed by in Butte Park, to that special someone who gave us that special spark and helped us to grow, to transform, to dream. Today's for that someone we're proud to have at our team. What happens tomorrow is whatever you choose. Go make news or break news, but absolutely refuse to be told that can't be done, because we've only just begun to make records and break records and make history and break history and say,
Dyma fy myd I. This is the world I want to see.
10,
20,
30,
40.
years from now, you'll look back on today and realise you've been by your side the whole way. But right now, right here, let's savour the moment and say, Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations. Let's get the celebrations underway. Take a moment, look around you. Be welwch chi? What do you see? We're Cardiff University. Croeso, welcome to your alumni community.
Thank you.